woke up this morning, I look around my room. Like Minion sticker. I think I'm only keeping these 3. Hi guys, so I woke up this morning, look around my room, and it looks hideous. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it looked so bad, and it kind of makes sense why I haven't been thinking straight lately, because your environment does influence how you think. And today I'm going to be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing my room. Then after that, I'll go to my bathroom and also get that place situated. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, then I'll show you guys around my room. Okay? No, I'm done. I'm gonna start with my bed because I want to clean my bed sheets and blankets. I actually do not remember the last time that I cleaned my bed sheet and blankets, so I'm gonna start with that so I can get the washing machine running as I'm cleaning. I think my charger is done for. Like, look. I feel like I should just throw it away and get a new one. I think I need a Bible cover for my Bible because look at how it's looking. It used to be this kind of pink, but now it's like faded pink. And look at this edge, it's like fading away. The color is literally changing, and now there's a few scratches, whatever, on there. Makes my Bible looks really ugly. I will get this thing off and also get it covered because it hasn't been that long since I got this Bible, so I should treat it good. But yeah, how do you even know if your perfume is out or not? Because I've had this perfume for a very long time and I do not know if it's out or not. I got this bookmark. It's saying my heart flutters with love. Oh my gosh, okay. But it's kind of crazy because this book is not romance, right? If it was romance, that would be cute, but it's not. And the cool thing about this bookmark is that it's a freaking butterfly. Like, what? Let me make it. Isn't it so cute? Yeah, I got a bunch of them from Shein, but at this time though, I think all of them are somehow not here. My fake lilies and my Lego flower. I'm gonna show you guys my books. So I have my books in my closet, and I have a lot of them. This is actually little from the one that I had way before, and I'm just gonna rearrange them. So I found a couple of my textbooks. Medical terminology. Yeah, I love medical terminology class. I have biochemistry right here. I think this is for my brother because there's no way this is mine. I didn't even buy textbook when I took biochemistry. So this is not mine. And I have, oh, these are all his books that I use. We have organic chemistry right here, biology, general chemistry. Oh, this book is so tiny. I know I do not need them, but I'm gonna use them as my like little layer before I put my books on there. Now I'm gonna arrange my books. Oh, the Netflix adaptation of this book is out. I feel like this looks way better, to be honest. I love my little arrangement. But there's some books here that I really want to go donate or just throw them away because I don't like them at all. Okay, I'm gonna go through these doors, and I did a little mess yesterday. This little bin was up here. I bumped into it and dumped everything that was in over here. So as I'm cleaning this out, I will clean this one out too. This thing is not even stable because, yeah, one of the leg is out. Oh my gosh, all those dust stuff. All my hair accessory stuff. Oh, I have this then, which like all my phone cases in here. This thing right here have all my phone cases, and actually not all of them because I feel like I have some of my phone cases just laying around, but I'm gonna go through them and show you guys the phone cases I have, and I'm also going to trash some of them because they're either old, ugly, or I don't like them. So yeah. Okay, so here are the phone cases that I have accumulated over the years. So those are the phone cases that I have, and as you can tell, some of them are really ugly. Just yeah, so I'm gonna divide them into the ones that I like and I'm keeping, the ones that I don't like and I'm throwing them away. These are the ones that I kept. Okay, these ones are the ones that I am throwing them away. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up very soon. In high school, I joined this art ceramic class and we had to make a max. So I made mine, and before I show it to you guys, know that I was really bad at art, but it's more like the one that you use your hands to make it. But when it comes to something that you have to draw it, I am really good at it. But with this one, I was so bad at it. Oh my god, I don't know why I have this. I think I'm gonna throw it away. So I made this in April 2017, and it's called Native American. I said Native A Rejoice Acus Max, and I have it right here. Okay, and this is oh my god, the heck is this? But that's the most I did. That's all. I'm gonna throw this away. Such a disgrace, really, such a disgrace. Oh my gosh, I have this like Minion sticker. I think I'm gonna keep this. That's so cute. These are the glasses. Plus, I put like 3 in here. I'm only keeping these 3. And I got these from Amazon. They're like the best blue lens glasses. They're so cute. But I'm keeping those 3 different colors. And these ones, I am trashing them because they're not really my taste anymore. It's the next day and I'm about to clean our bathroom. It's not gonna even take that long to clean the bathroom, honestly. Okay, so this is my counter. This is how I vlog my get ready with me videos ish on Instagram. I just like put a bunch of hair stuff here to make my little tripod and set my phone on here. And the toilet is actually clogged. I'm trying to fix it. Yeah, and the bottom is a little messy. This is a stain. This is dirty. That is dirty. So we get that cleaned and this cleaned and that one hopefully fixed. So yeah. Here's the thing, I clean the toilet seat with my hands. Like, I don't put gloves on. I don't think that is nasty or anything. Like, at the end of the day, when I'm done cleaning, I'm gonna wash my hands. I get one who will wear gloves to clean the toilet seat, but I feel like not wearing gloves is pretty much the same thing. all done.